Hey guys, welcome to Digit for an unboxing video. This time it's going to be an HP mouse, a mouse by the name of X1000. It's a USB optical mouse with 3 buttons, so that makes it very standard. On this side we see practically nothing because it's hidden behind a sticker. On the back hand side we see that the packaging says it's again a 3-button mouse, ambidextrous design, and no software setup required. On the other side we see that it has support for Microsoft Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 10. Doesn't say anything about Mac or Linux, but if it's a normal mouse without any software drivers required, it should work fine on those operating systems as well. So that's about all the text and marketing lingo that we can stomach. Let's unbox the device. We find the mouse. There's a quick start guide for the HP Mouse X1000 that mentions the warranty terms. It's got a worldwide limited warranty, and another booklet. This one is a product notice, so a lot of regulatory information as well as things you should know regarding the manufacturer, origin, ROHS certification, and a lot of other details that most people don't bother with. And then we'll have the mouse itself. Okay, here you go. It's got a little plastic wrap. Very glossy finish. That's the 2 buttons and the scroll button as well as the scroll wheel. This is the underside of the mouse, and it's very compact, as you can see. From the side, it's something a claw grip would be essential for such a small mouse. Anything else would be kind of uncomfortable. So that's it for this particular unboxing of the HP Mouse X1000. If you'd like us to unbox similar peripherals in the future, please do like and share this video. And as always, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.